Because when we were getting on the on-ramp, that's like the best time to fucking rip it, right?
Yeah.
Everywhere. I was like, oh my.
You still could have.
No, there were literally cars everywhere.
Yeah, that's why you have to cut them up. Alright. Follow me, I guess. We have to hit the mountains before it gets dark, or we're not gonna be able to see shit. So you have like an hour probably. Well, I'll take you through it once, like decent speed, and then I'll do my own pace. But yeah, we're going up. My brother hasn't gone to that mountain yet, the one that I normally rip on. If you've seen those videos, but we're gonna go there and shred it up. He's never gone there, so like I said, I'm gonna show him once through, and then once we go back up or down, I'm gonna go my own pace. Get out of my way, bro. He got stuck. So you ready? And boop, boop. See you later. Yeah, this feels weird as fuck. The windscreen looks so nice. Let's go back on the bike with the new windscreen. It feels so weird being back on this thing.
We went by, I was like this.
What?
Those bikers back there, I was like,
Oh, what'd they do? I did it one time, but I don't think he did anything. I love when she comes up in first gear. I think he was in neutral and he tried to go and it wouldn't go. Wee. Skirt, skirt. Skirt, skirt. Alright, hang on. We're legit almost here, so I'm gonna put my music in. And then we can rip, and then I'll go through it like a decent speed for you. And then we go back down it. Alright. Let's get it. Try to practice like your body positioning and shit.
what?
Try to practice your body positioning. The mountain starts up here now. Make sure you look through look as far ahead as you can. Wherever you look is where you'll go. I'm hyped. He's never been in these mountains before. I know he's gonna love them. It's a vibe, bro. Music and everything. Honestly, this is helping me too go slow, helping my body positioning. This feels good. Honestly, I'm not used to going slow because it's honestly really helping me. show him this pretty ass view, bro. This shit is so beautiful. And that is beautiful. I know it's not gonna come across in camera, but damn. Oh, you're gonna ruin all the fun. Let's go. I love when people do that. I hate this turn. It's so tight. Let's go. I'm gonna wait up for him. I ain't got gear on either, so it's not like I'm dragging near anything, but still, you know, better safe than sorry. I say that now until I go back down it. I know it looks slow as fuck on camera, but I'm having fun learning body positioning, and I'm showing him the way. And that's it. That's the mountain. Isn't that nice?
What was that for you? Medium?
Yeah, I was going slow. Was that hard for you or what? Medium. I don't know, percent, probably like, I don't know, like 30 or 40. But I love when the dudes let us go around them. I was hoping you would, because I'm like, bro, I don't want to be stuck behind you the whole time.
It's hard for like, the hardest part is like going downhill and like controlling your braking.
Bro, that's why, yeah, that's why you have one hand on it, like this.
Shifting.
Just one finger.
And like, it's hard to like shift your ass over.
Yeah, see, it gets tiring, bro.
No, I feel like I have to like lift it. It's like hard to like.
Well, no, you're supposed to be like, your foot's supposed to be on here and you're supposed to lean like, I don't know, you're supposed to be on your toes basically. That's why you put your leg out. It just takes practice, like hella. So I normally go through it like a couple times. I'll probably only go through it one more time, and then we can get gas and then ride home. Or if we can cruise around or whatever. But isn't this a pretty nice mountain? Do it? Yeah. And yeah, try to, when you're leaning and shit, they're telling me be light on your hand. Like, don't be gripping this shit hard. Be light on it and shit. Like, don't really. Like, you watch Max race, he only has, he rides like this. Instead of like this, he rides like that. That he has one finger on, like, that's how he gets his elbow down. Yeah. He legit leans like that.
I feel like you're supposed to do everything opposite of what your brain wants you to do.
Yeah, it's weird.
Don't slow down, keep going through the turns, because if you let off, it's like
Yeah, and you're so do you brake before you go into the turn too?
Yeah,
Because that's why you have one finger on it. You brake before you go into the turn, and then you go.
I try and like get everything set up before the turn.
Yeah. Don't brake. Do not front brake hella in the corner. If you have to do anything, just let off the gas and then hit the front brake and rear brake slowly. Or lean hella.
I keep telling myself I can lean more.
Yeah, you can. You can lean a lot more than you think. That's why people were saying in my comments, really exaggerate like throwing your knee and body weight out, because it helps. Alright, we go through it one more time, then there's a gas station at the end, then I'll probably get gas and we can head back. Alright, I'm just gonna go my pace and then I'll just wait for you at the end. Damn it. Damn, going slow really helps you look through the turn though. I'm afraid of gravel just because there's like driveways and shit. Right there's gravel. Best feeling in the world right here. Woo! What a vibe. The windscreen and everything. It's a beautiful Friday night. Let's go. That beautiful view again. That was a turn that I flew off at too. All right. I don't think there's too much of the mountain. Let's see if my brother catches up to me. I wonder if he will. He has to. Unless he's still stuck behind that car. Damn, that view crazy. Wish I had a drone. I say that every video, I feel like. I need to get one. Alright guys, if you like that little video, hopefully you learned something from it while I was teaching him. Give it a like, comment down below for me please. And subscribe, baby. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Over and out.